Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I have this new package. Came from AmericanMuscles.com. So let's open it up. Okay, first of all, let's open the package. Oh, by the way, I bought this package with my own money, so this is not a sponsored video of any kind. Let me take the box. Guys, this is what I got. Check this out. 2004 Mustang wheel spacers. We have instructions and we have the wheel spacers. Okay, I ordered 1-inch Hubcentric spacers from AmericanMuscles.com again. So these should fit 2004 till 2014, I believe, Mustangs. Check this out. These are huge, and this is very heavy. So I said this is heavy. Let's check how heavy this is. So the scale set to grams, about 1088 grams. Let's try this second one. See, it's almost the same. Pounds, 2 pounds and 6 ounces. This is the second one. So let's go installing the Mustang. So the first step is jack the car up. Step number 2, just remove the wheel. I just decided to use the impact wrench, and you know, if you don't have an impact wrench, just use the breaker bar. Next step, remove the lug nuts from wheel spacer. Oh, by the way, those lug nuts from the wheel spacer that came with, they're 19mm. The original lug nuts from the Mustang is 21mm. So they're like different. You gotta use different sockets for those. And next, I apply anti-seize. This is where I ran into the problem. So I tried to use 21-inch impact socket. It didn't work. So I used thin wall socket. So it worked fine. So next, get your torque wrench and set torque to 90 foot-pounds and torque all 5 lug nuts. Next, apply the anti-seize on the wheel spacer. The last step is just install the wheel and torque it down to 80 foot-pounds, and do the same thing to the other side, and you're done.